Hi folks, let's talk about YouTube and money. How much money can generate small YouTube channel like this one, and what content works the best from my opinion for programming related channel. And also, does it worth to spend time and money on YouTube? So this topic is quite wide and I will split it to several parts, and there are timestamps below and you can jump between parts which you are interested to see, to do not spend time and watch all the video if you are looking just for numbers or something else. For few of you who don't know what is needed to show ads on your channel, you have to have 1000 subscribers and you have to have 4000 hours of content watched on your channel. Is it a lot or not? I think that is quite a lot. 1000 people is I don't know personally 1000 people, and there are 3,500 of you who subscribed to this channel. Thank you guys, I really appreciate every one of you, and that's cool. Seems that we are building some small community here and I really like that, and there are very nice and interesting discussions in comments, and I really like the way where this channel is going. So thank you guys for subscription. Without you this channel wouldn't exist. And yeah, subscribers, 1000 subscribers, it's not small number but easier to reach in my opinion than 4000 watch hours, because 4000 watch hours, that's actually quite a lot. It's about 166 days in months, that is about 5.5 months, so almost half of the year of non-stop watching on your videos. After that you can apply to show ads on your channel. So, but subscriber count, watching hours and so on probably is not reason why you are here. Probably you would like to see the revenue and income numbers. So let's open YouTube Analytics and switch to computer. Okay, let's take a look to the statistics in YouTube Studio on computer, and you can see all the numbers and all the earnings that I had from this channel so far, and that's up to you to decide, is it money at all or that just pennies. I do not count those few videos in 2017, but I started more seriously to record videos in October 2018, let's say beginning of 2019. There is some regularity for videos, and I got monetized in May, got my first 25 cents, and after that I started to get some money every day. Is it big money? No, that is not big money. Let's take a look on last 3 months, 90 days, that's about last 3 months, and as you may see there is 182 euros revenue. Currently for last few days I have nice growth here, but that's just because one of my videos just somehow got kind of viral and watching hours are growing on that one video like crazy. How much that is per month, you can do your own math, but let's take a look on last 28 days. Last month that is quite big, that's 78 euros. I would say that is already something. Is it good money for business? Of course it is not, but you at least can cover some expenses, not all of expenses what you have running YouTube channel. If you are looking to get into YouTube to become rich, think once more. There is not so much money in advertisements, it's first, and that money doesn't come easy. For small channels that is literally close to nothing, those are pennies, and you have to have very big channel, big subscriber base, a lot of watching hours to be profitable. If you're comparing this money and time what you have to invest in YouTube, in my case I am spending about 1 day to create video, record it, edit it, make thumbnails and so on. Okay, last 7 days are the best days in my YouTube. In last 7 days in week I got 30 euros. I can't support my family on this money, so that is not profitable at all. That is expensive, time-consuming hobby on that numbers. If you enjoy to make YouTube videos, then yes, that's worth to go in and create videos. If you are coming to YouTube to make money, you have to have a good business plan to think about topics what you will cover and so on, to get viral videos, to get popular really fast and so on. Okay, but let's take a look on videos which are generate money and think about how we can generate money on programming related channel, if that is the reason why you are starting that channel at all. In my statistics, what I see, the videos who are about hardware generate quite a lot of money and views. But this one, which is most popular and generates the most of the money, this is scroll view auto layout in storyboards. That is tutorial. And if you will see on views, there are never-ending views, and this video generates subscribers and this video generates revenue. Basically, this is the best working video on this channel. Even I have relatively popular videos about hardware. Those are quite popular as well, but videos about general tips about freelancing and so on, those are kind of interesting for me because I am answering questions what you guys are asking, but those videos are not very popular on this channel and maybe on YouTube in general as well, because there is very small niche of people who are looking for solutions and answers what are answered in those videos. And video like this, how to make configuration for scroll view or which keyboard is the best, those videos are for very wide audience, and there is a lot of people who are looking for answers to these videos. And if you are looking to run successful programming related channel, most likely you should create tutorials. There are plenty of tutorial channels, but audience for tutorial channels is huge. I am recording some tutorial videos time to time when I run into some specific problem which I see interesting to solve and I see beneficial to share solution with other developers. But I'm not planning to turn over to my channel to become tutorial channel. And again, tutorials generate some money, of course, but that money still is not something enormous and very big. Of course, if you have more tutorial videos, you will see more views, you will show more ads, and you will generate more money. But usually, if you will take a look to all those tutorial channels, usually they are selling some courses as well, and that is biggest part for their revenue. So numbers on advertisements are not so big. Is it worth to invest time and money as well in YouTube channel at all? So why I will say no? Because you need gear to run videos. Of course, you can just grab your phone, hit enter, no, hit record button and start record videos. But that video quality, it is far away from perfect. It is not great. And my first videos on this channel was recorded on phone and I'm not really proud about them. You can use it, you can start on that, but quality is not here and it is not so easy to record on phone. I personally prefer camera. You can get not so expensive APS-C camera, which is small camera with small sensor, and it works great for videos. Let's try this one. This one is 4K camera. Come on, let's get into focus. Okay, finally. This is small APS-C camera with nice lens, and it works really nice for videos, but lens is not perfect for vlogging, and for those APS-C cameras, lens choice is not the best. I am recording my videos on EOS R with 16 to 35 lens. That definitely costs some money to get gear, but gear, from my perspective, gear is not the most expensive or challenging part of video. You can, as I said, start with phone or with camera, but you will need to invest time. This video, it will take about a few hours to record it, to get topic, to think about video idea, to record it. Then I will edit it for about, 2-3 hours more. Then you have to make thumbnail, upload it, and so on. That's about one work day for one video. And as we saw on numbers, there is not so much revenue back from those videos, at least on my channel. Of course, the numbers are different on bigger channels, but I'm talking about small channels right now. And if I would invest that one day working on freelance projects, of course, I can make much more money investing this time in freelancing. And numbers can be different for everyone. You know your revenue, you on one day work, and you can compare numbers what you make in one day with numbers what I showed here in income on videos. So that was about numbers. Yeah, for me right now this is not business. We'll see how it will look in 2 or 3 years. I would like to stick for 2 more years to the YouTube to see where that will go. I'm not expecting to grow to the levels like, I don't know, Casey Neistat, Peter McQueen and all those YouTubers. Of course not, but that is still fun for me. I hope you are enjoying those videos. If you do, let me know. Like buttons, yeah, I guess you understand. And yeah, subscribe to make that subscribe number a little bit bigger. That really matters, and make not only me happy, but show to the YouTube that this channel is worth attention, and videos could be interesting to other persons, and push those videos to other persons as well. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next one. Bye.